If you are looking for a wall charger that will do so much more, then this one is the one you're gonna wanna choose. It can charge 3 different devices, 2 USB and 1 C port here. And then on the side, it has a nightlight. So this nightlight can either be on, off, or auto, which means when this light sensor senses that it's dark enough, it will turn the nightlight on. And then that way, when it's light or you have your lights on, it'll turn off, and that will help save energy. And the best part about this is it has a clock on here. So you are able to set the time so you can tell what time it is, charge 3 different devices at the same time, and also have a nightlight on.